Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are going to continue with our fruit part 2. First up, we have la mangue. Say it with me, la mangue. Great job. And next is la prune. Try saying it with me, la prune. Excellent. Now, let's meet la framboise. Say framboise. Fantastic. Here come the la poire. Repeat after me, la poire. Wonderful. And next we have la mûre. Say la mûre. Awesome. And the next now is la myrtille. Say it with me, la myrtille. Brillant. And next up is le fruit du dragon. Try saying le fruit du dragon. It's delicious. Here comes la goyave. Say la goyave. Awesome. Next is la papaye. Repeat after me, la papaye. It's yummy. And finally, la grenade. Say la grenade. Yes, you did an amazing job today learning all these fruity names in French. Remember, fruits are not only tasty but also good for you. Keep practicing and soon you will know even more French words. Thank you for watching. It was Faustin for Manjaree Academy. Merci beaucoup for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. À bientôt.